morning. We're here in Gandara with Sharon. We visit Sharon. And later we're going to Matuguinaw. We're gonna visit Maslog Spring. So we're gonna check the Maslog Spring in Matuguinaw, Samar. Yeah. Very nice. So finally we arrive here in Maslog. So this is now the entrance, Maslog Spring. There. So we're already here inside Maslog Spring. So before you enter, you're gonna register there. So that's the entrance going down there. So you need to log back there, register. So the entrance fee there is 30 pesos each person, either adult or children. And over here is the table. So it's cost for 200 pesos per table. So the spring is already below there. See? Very beautiful. So the source of the water is here. Water coming out from there. So welcome to Maslog Spring here in Matuguinaw. Time to take a bath. The Rex is already taking a bath. Swimming. Here at Maslog Spring. Wake up, mommy. You gonna take a bath na?
Later sa kay bugnaw na siya bugnaw oh. Magkuray-kuray ko ana.
We're gonna take a bath. So how's the water? Cold? Huh?
Hali. Hali.
Sige, I will follow nga ni. You go there nga ni. Sige na.
Hali.
Kaya nga ni.
Kuno mami gani.
Sige na. Oh, katong nga ni mami.
Na.
Mami will take a bath na. You and mommy. So we're gonna take a look the spring. So nice here in Maslog Spring. So it's a new spring here in Matuguinaw, Samar. So newly developed spring resort. See? Wow. It was deep there. Coming out there. It's like a waterfall.
Kaya sa bata. Ako sa puso. Pero ada ro.
Oh, sige na. Kuyogi kahit mami. Oh, sige na. Go, Trex. Don't do it. Go. Go, go. Sige. Okay. Go, go. Hello, careful. So that's the source of the water coming out from there, that cave. Oh, very nice. Go jump, Trexto.
Ayos Jumping here's not high enough.
Cold?
Look at Joker. Now you're joking. There.
Yeah, there's a cave there. There's another source there, coming out from there. And this one here is the source of the water. So coming out from that spring, all the way here. Very clear water. All the way there. No swimming.
Okay, you go first.
Ah,
Wow!
very cold.
I can't do it.
Sabi ko po. Kamatay ng orgy.
Wow.
So, ganun yun. Init ang tubig sa ilawom, daddy. May hot spring na dyan dito sa pikas, no?
Yeah, very nice here in Maslog Spring here in Matugina, Osamar. Very beautiful. It's paradise. What are you waiting for? Come. Maslog Spring.
Ako na lang sa gabi ng English man. What puno? Swimwear.
Tigabat na ta. What's in there, Mami? Napa Spring?
Oo, daw nga po kapsos. Hindi kayo bugnaw rin. Ato ang bugnaw.
Beautiful.
Slide ako.
What, mommy?
Slippery.
Okay.
Ang kaniba. Pag hinaya, pag gagan ka, magkaan.
Okay,
Ay, hindi ko anong tulis.
Maslog Spring.
Oh, kusog sa current. May... Hindi ba bang ah?
Oh, go there.
Hindi, mag-swim ka.
Do you swim?
It's very strong.
Go Trex can swim there in the current.
Very.
Oh, go try. Oh. Wow. Wow.
Labot na naman gihapon ka dito. Ikaw ba kagay sige. Mag-swim mo.
Strong current. The water coming from there.
Sige na, you try.
Okay.
Daddy. Asa ka pa doon? Asa ka rin sa ako? Napang yung bata ako pa doon. As Albert.
Albert, oh, Baklaon. Oo, Baklaon. Albert na nangaran.
Oo, baka dito niya.
Ako yan natin iyo kasaliwan din.
Tulo kami niya. Tulo lang.
So now we're leaving Maslog Spring. So now we're going now to San Jorge. So we go another spring resort there. We're going to Cabubas Resort or Secret Falls. And also a lake in San Jorge. Gonna back to the motorbike. We already arrived here in Cabubas Resort here in San Jorge. So Cabubas Resort. So there, gonna latay the tulay. We're already here in Kabubas. We're gonna eat our lunch, late lunch. Wow, native chicken, so yummy. I'm picking. What's the picking?
Picking.
Malasa? Picking. Wow, so yummy. Only in Kabubas Resort. Native chicken and picking at Kabubas Resort. And mom is still eating. Beautiful here ang Kabubas. The falls there. Beautiful. So you can boating here in Kabubas. Oh, very nice. So riding now on a boat. See? So we're gonna go to the waterfall there. Boating time.
What is that falls?
Hello.
Ay, sumanglat. Tara, rambaan kita.
Murumba.
Rambaan ka to my falls.
Going out to the falls. So riding the boat. Dalamas.
Balsa.
Balsa.
Balsa ka daw. Balsa.
Riding a boat. Going to the falls. There's a falls near Kabubas Spring.
Galang ng gitna. Ay, Anton. Anton ka mo, Anton?
Another falls. Very nice. Nice falls here. Kabubas Resort. Take a look there. Yeah, nice, beautiful. Paradise. Beautiful waterfall. Yeah, beautiful waterfall. There Kabuba Spring. We just ride a boat going here. Paradise. So this is the boat.
Papunta dito sa may
Going back to Kabubas Resort.
okay. So ang pamasahe siguro depende na siguro kung anong klase sa sasakyan. Tawag ko ako.
Monica, pakanina kita. Mauli na kita. Punta kami!
Oh, there are a lot of fish. Wow. Careful, ha? Stretch to here lang. We're here inside Secret Falls. So this is near Kabubas Resort. Secret Falls. Also beautiful here. We're here now in Aleco. Aleco Resort. So this is the entrance. So entrance fee is 30 pesos going to this resort. So Aleco. So we're here inside the Aleco Resort. So in this resort is more developed. Yeah, they have also like a falls and the river and Mami. See the falls there? Yeah, beautiful. Nice. Here at the Aleco Resort. So we're back here in San Jorge. So we're here in the bridge. We're finished already visiting all the spring resort in Matuguinao, Maslog, in San Jorge, Cabubas, Secret Falls, and Alico Resort. So now we're going back to Catpalogan. See you for the next to explore adventure here in Samar.